Okay, we are unboxing a Targus 50-inch camera camcorder tripod with a bonus carrying bag included. It says it extends to over 4 feet, folds to 7 inches, lightweight design. It 3-way fluid pan head, quick release plate, bubble level, and a quick release leg locks, and it extends to 50 inches. Okay, so here we go. Well, that's a good sign. It hadn't been opened yet. Most of the time some of these things get opened and they get taken back. Cool. Alright. There's the bag for it. It's a Targus TG5060TR. Awesome. You put your camera right there. It's pretty nice. Okay, it has a little bubble level on it also, so that you can level the camera. So that's pretty cool. 2.5 pound low capacity. It's got rubber grip feet. Includes the carrying case. Quick release leg locks, which are these, and there's 3 of them. So we'll take it all the way up. Nice. Alright. That's pretty nice. Extends to over 4 feet and folds to 17 inches and has a 3-way fluid pan head and a quick release plate. So, comes with the bag, and that's it. Thanks for watching.